This is our 2007 Toyota Yaris, and today I'll show you how to quickly change the engine air filter. The procedure will be the same for a wide range of Toyota and Scion vehicles, so if your airbox looks like this one, then you're in the right place. You can get a new air filter from Amazon, Walmart, or just about any local auto parts store for about $10 to $15, and it doesn't really matter what brand you get. There's a link in the description for the one that I used. There aren't any tools required, and it doesn't get any easier than this, so let's get to it. In this car, the airbox is located next to the left headlight. Flip open the two metal clips and pull the top of the airbox up and out from these points. If it feels a little stuck, just wiggle it free. Now you should be able to remove the old air filter. Note the orientation of the square corner because we'll have to put in the new filter the same way. The bottom is the side that gets dirty. Make sure the new air filter is fully seated into the lower part of the airbox, and replace the top, making sure to slide these points back into place. The metal clips won't close unless the filter and the upper airbox are fully seated. And that's it. I have a lot more videos about this car, so check those out before you go. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.